How to remove members from Trello board. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for Trello.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, tap on this boards option, and then after that, we'll have to scroll down here and then select the board where we want to remove a member. So I'm just gonna open this one. So in here, I'm going to show you two ways on how you can remove a member. The first one is by simply going on the share button, simply tap on this one, and then after that, it will show you all the members you have on this board. What you need to do is to tap on the member option and then tap on this remove from board option. After that, tap on this remove option, and as you can see, that member is automatically removed. Another way is by going back, and then in here we'll have to go on the left part of the screen and then tap on the members option. After that, it will show you the members you have on this board. All you need to do is to tap on this leave option to remove this member. So those are the ways on how you can remove a member from a Trello board. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!